Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and getting a model. This is why dependencies matter. They provide the runtime and model utilities. Once done, install Torch and OpenCV. Make sure the versions match your CUDA or CPU target. Then, load a pre-trained detector rather than training from scratch, because inference is the only way to detect quickly. Finally, place a sample image and verify file paths. Without a valid image path, nothing will run. You now handle the complex middle steps: preprocessing, inference, and filtering. Convert BGR to RGB and resize or letterbox to the model input. This preserves aspect ratio, which is why detection accuracy improves. Then create a tensor, move it to CPU or GPU, and run the model's forward pass. After predictions, filter by confidence. Set a sensible threshold because low thresholds produce noise. Make sure you time and batch inputs if you need throughput. You finish by post-processing detections and producing usable output. Apply non-max suppression to collapse overlapping boxes. This step reduces duplicates and clarifies results. Then map box coordinates back to the original image size, draw rectangles and text, and save or return structured JSON so downstream code can consume detections. If results are wrong, check 3 common issues: input scaling, color channel order, and whether the tensor is on the correct device. Correcting those fixes most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.